The most common causes of car accidents, I would say number one would be distracted driving. We're all guilty of it. We try not to do it, but distracted driving is anything from saying, oh, I have to send this text while you're driving, to changing the radio, to doing your makeup, whatever you might be doing. Do not drive distracted. And I love how there's signs now on our highways reminding us of this. Drivers, especially in Texas, are so aggressive. It's unlike other states that I've lived in, for example, California. In Texas, there's these trucks driving and they almost have the mentality that they would rather hit you than let you change lanes. It's really crazy. And that is a huge cause of a collision. And it's also not worth it. You have to drive defensively. So if I'm trying to switch lanes and I see one of those cars or trucks speeding along, definitely showing that they're not gonna let me switch lanes, I'm gonna say, okay, I'm just gonna let that person go by and I'll switch lanes after that. So defensive driving is something that's really important to do to prevent a car accident, because even if it's not your fault, you don't want to get into a car accident even if it's someone else's fault. And I think that's another issue. But some people think, oh yeah, I'll get in a car accident, that's okay, I'm gonna recover some money. But you can't predict how much you're gonna recover. You might end up with someone that has a great insurance policy and you might get $100,000, or you might get someone that just has policy limits and you get $30,000, but who wants to deal with that headache? Of course, you should always, always, always avoid a car accident. Even when it's not your fault, you never wanna get into a car accident.